Hello, you all. Horry County guy here, back again with another video. And this is an update video of the significant snow that happened last night here. And according to my yardstick here, it looks like we got 5 inches. And today is Wednesday the 22nd. And a little bit before 10, I heard that today the sun's supposed to come out. And actually, it looks like it's already starting, so not really sure about how long is this going to stay and or melt. And all the public buildings are closed today, so because we obviously don't have the equipment here, the snow removal equipment to remove anything. So I'll keep you posted. And this is what we got here. So, like I said, about 5 inches in Conway that we got. And thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and take care. Bye-bye.